Right. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, guys. Good evening, good evening. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Kindly please respond in the chat. Guys, please respond in the chat. Yes, 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 yes. Very, very good evening, guys. Very, very good evening. All right. So let us start our session here today. So, guys, before starting our session, let us try to have a very, very small and a quick recap of the concepts which I had covered in our yesterday's class. So, guys, as a matter of fact, we have started discussing about exception handling almost like not yesterday, day before yesterday onwards. Am I right? From day before yesterday onwards, we have started discussing about exception handling. And the very first day, we discussed about like what is the difference between an error, what is the difference between an exception, what is the difference between an error, what is the difference between an exception, what is an error, how many types of errors are there. Like I told you, 3 types of errors are there, like compile time errors, runtime errors, logical errors. How many types of exceptions are there? There are 2 types of exceptions are there, like checked exceptions, unchecked exceptions. And when an exception will be occurring, like when I already told you guys, always an exception always occurs at runtime only, but some are detected at compilation time and some are detected at runtime. The exceptions which are detected at compilation time are known as the exceptions. Please respond. The exceptions the exceptions which are detected at compilation time are known as checked exceptions. And those exceptions are detected by whom, guys? Checked exceptions are detected by the checked exceptions are detected by the Java compiler. And what are unchecked exceptions? Like the exceptions which are detected by JVM at runtime. Am I right or wrong? The exceptions which are detected by the JVM at runtime are known as unchecked exceptions. So we have already seen like what are checked exceptions and what are unchecked exceptions, and we have seen what is exception hierarchy also, and actually what is the use of default exception handler, and then what are the important key points. Like we have discussed about some key points regarding exception handling also. Now today, guys, what I want to do, I want to show you some syntaxes. Okay. Like I want to show you some exception syntaxes. You need to tell me which one is valid and which one is invalid. Can you do that for me? Those syntaxes, whatever the syntaxes which I'm going to show you right now, those syntaxes are based upon these 11 points. Yesterday we have discussed all these 11 points, right? So all basing on these 11 points is only those syntaxes will be there. Can you do that for me, please? I'll show you the syntax. You just need to tell me which one is valid and which one is invalid, right? Okay. And you should be saying the reason also. You should be saying the reason also, please. Guys, come on, online students. Come on, yeah. Out of 150, 160 students, nearly only 10 to 20 people are responding. What about others? Come on, yeah. For example, I never seen some people responding in the chat. Never. Respond in the chat, yeah. Respond in the chat. For example, Bala Selva Reddy. Bala Selva Reddy. I never seen your message. Banushree, Bhuvaneshwar. Come on, guys. Charan, who is D? I don't know D. Come on, respond. Respond in the chat. Respond in the chat. Okay. IPL time. It's not like IPL. This is Java time. Okay. Right. Right. Okay. Now just let me try to. Today CSK. Okay, fine. No issues. Okay. And I'm trying to show you exception handling. Right. Guys, first syntax. First one, first example, valid or invalid. If it is invalid, please tell me the reason also. If it is invalid, please tell the reason also. I mean, reason why. Okay. Guys, this is a syntax. Okay, this is a syntax. Fine. No need to write any code. This is just a syntax. That's it. Okay, guys, I never said that 100% inside the try block, there should be code. If you are not having code, you will be getting an error. No. Did I said like that? What I told you, inside the try block, you need to write minimum code. Minimum code in the sense, if you want to write code, you can write or else no problem. Nothing will happen. Guys, please observe here. For example, let me open my Eclipse. Okay. Now, void method one. Try. Or else, why void method one? Directly I'll be writing main method. Main method. Inside the main method, I'm just trying to write try. After that, catch. After that, finally, like this. Okay. So now, okay, here just let me try to write exception like this, exception E, something like this. Am I getting any error in my program? No, I'm not getting any error. Sir, you did not write any code inside the try block. My wish here, if I want to write, I will write, or else I will not. Sir, but you said you need to write minimum code. Minimum code in the sense, please try to write suspicious code only. You need to write only suspicious code. That's it, not more than that. Okay, guys? If you're not writing any code also, nothing will happen. Okay, anyways, this is actually try catch finally. Now tell me, valid or invalid? This is a class. Class starts from here, ends with here. This is main method. Main method starts from here, ends with here. Inside the main method, I'm writing try catch. Tell me, can I write like this or not? There is no finally. There is no finally. Can I write only try and catch? Can I write only try and catch? Yesterday only I told you. Yesterday only I told you. Yes, we can write. So, is this valid or invalid? Is this valid or invalid? Example 1 is VLID. Valid. Example 1 is valid. Okay. Now, let me go with example 2. Tell me, example 2, valid or invalid? Valid, valid. Everyone is saying valid. Okay, one guy, one invalid. Guys, if you are saying invalid, why? Sridhar, why it is invalid? I need an answer, like reason, not like an answer. I need a reason. Why you are thinking it is invalid? Guys, again, I'm saying you, if you are thinking it is invalid, I need a reason also. I need a reason why you are thinking invalid. Okay, guys, this is 100% valid. This is 100% valid. No problem, no problem. Sir, why it is valid? Yeah, why it is not valid, guys? This is try block. Okay, inside the try block, okay, I did not write any statement. That is another scenario. After the try block, I'm writing catch and one more catch. So, can I write multiple catch blocks for a single try block? Yeah, of course, I can write, no problem. And when I'm writing multiple catch blocks, I need to remember the exception hierarchy. Yes. Yeah, of course. It is under my exception hierarchy only. No problem. Example 2 is also valid. Okay, now example 3. Example 2 is also valid. Tell me, example 3, valid or invalid? I told you, if you are saying invalid, I need a reason. I need a reason. Yes, yes, yes. That is good. That is good. That is good. Guys, this is invalid. This is invalid. Why it is invalid? Because already arithmetic exception is already handled here. Already it is handled here. So we cannot have one more catch block with the same exception. No, that is not possible. Am I right or wrong? So this is invalid. This is invalid. Okay. Example 4. Example 4. Valid or invalid? Think correctly and then answer. Think correctly and then answer. Think correctly and then answer. I told you, I need a reason. If you are saying invalid, I need a reason. Come on. Yes. Yes. It is invalid. It is invalid. 100% it is invalid. It is invalid. Why it is invalid, guys? Why it is invalid? A single try block never exists without catch or finally. Means if you are writing a try block, 100% we need to write either catch block or finally block. Sir, but you said try with resources. Yes. What is the syntax of try with resources, guys? We need to write the parenthesis like this. Am I right or wrong? Yes, exactly. We need to write the parenthesis. So this is not try with resources. Sorry, this is not try with resources. If I want to write try with resources, I should be writing like this. So as I did not wrote like that, only I'm having a single try block. So it is invalid. Is it clear, guys, for everyone? You need to respond. You need to respond. Okay. 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 Now, come on. Example 5. Example 5. Valid or invalid? Invalid. Why? Why it is invalid? Why it is invalid? Yes. Okay. Okay, guys. Here example 5 is 100% invalid. I don't know why some people are giving me valid. Guys, it is invalid. Why it is invalid? Because I'm having only a single catch block here. Can we write a single catch block? No way. We cannot. We cannot. Okay. Yes, we cannot write. Okay. Tell me, what about example 6? Example 6, valid or invalid? Example 6, please. Reason, Rabia, reason. Right. Guys, if you are saying the reason, are you feeling like you are answering a question? Yes or no? That is the only reason I'm asking you to say the reason. Okay? Exactly. There should not be any statements between try and catch. I mean, try, catch, and finally. So example 6 is INVA LID, invalid. Example 7. Guys, I'll upload all this in our Google Classroom. Don't worry. Okay. No need to write. I'll upload all this in our Google Classroom. Tell me, example 7 is valid or invalid? Okay, everyone is saying valid. Everyone is saying valid. I did not got any single invalid also. And that is 100% correct. This is valid. Yeah, of course it is valid. It is following the order. Try, catch, and finally. Yeah, it is valid. Okay, example 8. Valid or invalid? Valid or invalid? If you are saying invalid, example 8. If you are saying invalid, tell me the reason. Okay, guys, it is 100% valid. But what? But what? But we can't handle an exception because catch block BLOCK, because catch block is missing. I hope it's guys, I hope you're understanding me. Yesterday told you. Where? See, we can write try and finally also. We can write try and finals also. It is valid. But if we want to handle an exception 100%, we need to write catch block. If you are not writing catch block, then exception will not be handled. Am I right or wrong? Yes. So, hang on. Yes, here. Yeah, it is valid, but we cannot handle an exception because of catch block missing. Okay. Okay. Now, example 9. Valid or invalid? Example 9. Invalid. Why it is invalid? Why it is invalid? Because can we have multiple finally blocks, guys? No, we cannot have multiple finally blocks. Can we have multiple catch blocks? Yes, multiple catch blocks is allowed, but multiple finally blocks are not allowed. So this is invalid. Okay, example 10, valid or invalid? Example 10. Let me check. Okay, test 1 minus try catch. Okay, valida, Prakash. Come on, guys. There is a statement between catch and finally. Come on, you already know this. There should not be any statements here. There should not be any statements between try, catch, and finally. I told you that point. Where it is? Fifth point. What is the fifth point? What is the fifth point? There should not be any statements between try, catch, and finally. Yes. So this is invalid. INVALID. This is invalid. Okay. Example 11. Example 11. Tell me. Valid or invalid? Example 11. Why? Reason. I need reason. Yes. Example 11 is invalid. Why it is invalid? Because you are missing the order. I told you, if you are using try, catch, finally blocks, we need to maintain the same, exactly the same order. Means if you are using all the 3 blocks, 100% you need to maintain the order, or else no. Okay. Right. Okay. Now. Tell me, example 12. Hang on. Just let me try to write. Yeah, this is invalid. Example 12. Valid or invalid? Example 12, sir. It is very, very simple question, sir. 100% it is invalid, sir. INVALID. Invalid. Why it is invalid? I have written a single finally block. Can we write like that? No, we cannot. Example 13. Now tell me. Example 13. Now, guys, before answering this example 13, if you are having laptops, you can check that. If you are having laptops right now, you can check that. Please check and tell me. I'll be giving you 1 minute of time. 1 minute of time. Just 1 minute. Please. Please check. Right. Right. Okay. Yes. Yes. Example 13 is VALID. It is valid. 100% valid. Sir, how it is valid? Why it is not valid, guys? Inside the try block, we can write any valid Java statement. Inside the try block, we can write any valid Java statements. Inside the catch block, we can write any valid Java statements. Similarly, inside the finally block also, we can write any valid Java statements. We'll not be having any trouble. So, example 13 is valid. Example 14. Example 14, valid or invalid? Okay, this is try block. Inside the catch block starts from here, ends with here. Inside the catch block, you are writing try and finally. Is it valid? %100% valid. 100% valid. Valid, guys. Okay. Now, guys, whatever the code which is present inside the catch block will be getting executed. I repeat, whatever the code which is present inside the catch block will be executed only if there is an exception. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Okay. For example, let me copy this. Okay. Let me copy this. Copy. Now, please observe here. I'm trying to paste it in Eclipse. Am I getting any error here? Am I getting any error? No. No. Happily, I can write like that. No issues. Now, this is 14 valid. Example 15, valid or invalid? Example 15. Think correctly. Think correctly. If you are saying invalid, give me the reason. If you are saying invalid, give me the reason also, please. Why? Why do you think that it is invalid? I need a reason. Exactly. Very good, guys. Very good. Very good. Nice. Okay. Okay. So you are saying that. This is invalid because inside the finally block, you are writing a single finally. Am I right or wrong? That is 100% correct, guys. 100% correct. See, you will be getting an error. Why you will be getting an error? Because you are having a single finally block. Can we write single finally block without try block? Without try block? No, that is an error. Okay, so this is invalid. Example 15, INVLID, invalid. Example 16. Example 16, valid or invalid? Come on, guys, very, very simple concept. Obviously, it is invalid. Why? Why it is invalid? Reason. Why it is invalid? Order. Order is missing. Order is missing. Very good, guys. Very good. Now, example 17, last syntax. Tell me, last syntax. Valid or invalid? Please think. If you are saying invalid, give me a reason. Give me a reason. Give me a reason. If you are saying invalid, give me a reason. That is good. That is good. Guys, almost 98% of the people are saying it is valid. And 100%. Yes. 100% it is valid. 100% it is valid. No problem. So actually, if you are trying to analyze this, it will be something like this. Try, catch, finally. Inside the finally, again you are writing try, catch, like this. And this is one more finally, like this. Are you understanding me, guys? This is first try block, followed by catch block, followed by finally block. Okay. Inside the finally block, again I am writing try, catch, finally. Yeah, what's wrong in that? What's wrong in that? Happily you can write like this. Okay. So guys, you will be able to answer all these syntaxes only if you remember all the key points which we have discussed in our yesterday. Am I right or wrong? Tell me. So right now, did you got a clear-cut picture, like key points? Did you got an idea, guys, like key points in exceptions? That is very good, guys. That is very good. That is very good. All right. All right. So let me remove this. Let me remove this. Now, guys, actually, when you are speaking about exception handling, okay, first, sorry, just a second. Okay, when you are speaking about exception handling, in exception handling, we will be having totally 5 keywords, guys. 5 keywords. Okay. First one is try, catch, finally. So we have already discussed about try block, catch block, and finally block. Remaining 2 keywords are throws and throw. I mean, throw and throws. Throw and throws. Throws. Okay. So right now, let us try to have an idea about what is this throw keyword and what is this throws keyword. Okay, guys, this is actually one of the important interview point of view question. What is the use of this throw keyword? And I mean, what is the difference? They may ask you like this. Okay. Now, please observe here. Please observe here. Just let me try to have a method. Void. Okay, withdraw method. Void withdraw method. And here, just let me try to have like an instance variable int available amount int available amount equal to something like 10,000. Okay, something like 10,000. Now I'm just trying to write int withdraw amount. This is int available amount and this is int withdraw amount. That's it. Now let me go to my main method. Now inside my main method, I'm trying to create an object, new class A. Okay, just let me try to have a reference here, please. Equal to AOBJ belongs to class A, like that. Okay, AOBJ, belongs to class A. That's it. Now simply what I'll be trying to do, I'm writing AOBJ dot withdraw method, and I'm trying to withdraw something like 5,000. I'm just trying to withdraw 5,000. Okay, now I'm giving a condition. If available amount is greater than if available amount is less than withdraw amount, some data, like we need to write some code, else here system.out.println, I'm going to get a statement that is TRANSACT, and transaction SUCCESS, transaction success here. Okay, now please observe here, right click, run as Java application, and I'm getting my output that is transaction success. Am I right or wrong? Guys, up to now, is it clear for everyone? This is a simple basic method here. Basic method, nothing complex is there, just basic method. Now, what I want to ask you is, guys, whenever you are going to ATM, if you are trying to withdraw an amount which is not present in your account, what is the message you will be getting? What is the message you will be getting in the ATM? Like if you are trying to withdraw an amount which is not present in your account. Okay, for example, I'm trying to withdraw 15,000 here. Okay, I'm trying to withdraw 15,000. Now I'm in my account, I'm having only 10,000. Now what kind of message you will be getting? You will be getting a message something like insufficient balance, or else transaction fail, or else transaction decline, insufficient funds, like that, right? Instead of getting a message like this, if you face a message like arithmetic exception, imagine you went to an ATM, you are trying to withdraw some amount and you got a message like arithmetic exception. What you will think? What you will think? Okay, as a Java developer, Java is awesome. Yes, as a Java developer, that is the first word which will be coming into your mind. Yeah, Java is awesome. Arithmetic exception. Okay, as a Java developer, you will be understanding that. We'll understand that. But how about a common people? Will common people understand what is the arithmetic exception? No way. They will never go back to that ATM again. Yes or no, guys? So actually, guys, exception messages are for programmer. Okay, but user, if user wants to understand those exception messages, that would be a little bit hard for the user. So what we need to do, we need to display user defined exception messages. Simply, in common words, a message which should be understandable by the user that there is some problem. Are you understanding me, guys? So in order to display these kind of user defined exception messages, I repeat, throw keyword is used to display user defined exception messages. Throw keyword is used to display user defined exception messages. Now we can throw both checked exceptions and unchecked exceptions. means we can use throw keyword for both checked exceptions and unchecked exceptions. We need to use throw keyword only inside a method body. Okay. Now please observe here, guys. Simply I'll be trying to write, if this is a condition, then throw throw something like new runtime exception, and I'll be trying to display an exception message that is balance is not SUFFICIENT. Balance is not sufficient. Now please observe, right click, run as Java application. Am I getting that message, guys? Please tell me yes or no. In this manner, I can use for any kind of exception. Like it may be an arithmetic exception, it may be a null pointer exception. I can use for any exception, not at all a trouble. Okay. So what is the use of throw keyword, guys? Please tell me what is the use of throw keyword? Throw keyword is used to display user defined exception messages. Okay. And please do remember, we can use throw keyword. We can use throw keyword for both checked and unchecked exceptions. Unchecked exceptions. And where we are supposed to use this throw keyword, guys? Where we are supposed to use this throw keyword? Where? Inside a method body, inside the method. Remember that. Now let us try to have an idea about throws. Okay. Now guys, throws keyword is used to escape from exception handling. What? Escape from exception handling. What do you mean by that? Yeah, I'll explain you. Throw keyword is used to escape from exception handling. We need to use throws only for throws keyword only for checked exceptions. Only for checked exceptions. And last point is we need to use throws along with the method signature. Along with the method signature means, for example, guys, just let me try to write one more method, void method 2. Okay. Now guys, actually in Java, we are having this concept known as IO streams, input output streams. Our very next topic is, like, most probably in the next week, we'll be trying to cover this IO streams concept. Okay. Now, whenever we are dealing with IO streams, like what is the use of these IO streams? You know, if we want to read the data from a file, we'll be using IO streams. If we want to write the data into a file also, we will be using these IO streams. Input IO means input output streams. Okay. Now, for example, guys, in IO streams, there are a lot of classes are there. I'm just trying to use one predefined class, guys. That is, okay, new file output stream. And here I need to give file path like this. And just let me try to have a reference equal to FOS belongs to file output stream class like this. Now, guys, please concentrate correctly. File output stream is a predefined class. Okay. file output stream is a predefined class which is present in java.io package. Which package? Java.io. IO means input output. Okay, java.io package. Now, what I want to say is, what is the use of this file output stream class? File output stream class is used to read the data from a file. Okay. For example, I'll do one thing. Just let me. Okay. Now here I'm trying to take a file, guys. Something like file1. Okay. Now I'm just trying to write I love Java like this. Some data present in this file. Now this is the file path. I mean file1.txt. This is the file path. So here I'm trying to give that file path. Okay. So guys, I need to write some code. We need to write the logic to read the file. Okay, we need to write the logic to read the file, which will be discussed in IO streams. Like how to read the data from a file, I'll try to explain in IO streams concept. But as of now, what I want to say here is, file output stream is a predefined class which is used to read the data from a file. And here we need to give the file path. Guys, up to now, is it clear? How to read the data, leave that. How to read the data, leave that. What I'm saying is file output stream. It is a predefined class which is used to read the data, or else which is used to write the data. In file. Not read, write the data into a file. If I want to write some data into a file, I can use file output stream, or else I'll do one thing. Just let me try to use file input stream. Okay. File input stream. This would be great. File input stream. So file input stream means this is used to read the data from a file. Guys, are you understanding me? Already some data is present in the file. I want to read that data from that file and display in the console. I can do that by using file input stream. Now my question is, guys, is file1.txt present in this location or not? Tell me. Is file1.txt present in E drive, NIT folder? Okay, let me check. E drive. Okay, E drive, under E drive, NIT folder. And yes, file1.txt is present. We know that. We know the file is present. But when compiler will be knowing that? Compiler will be knowing only at the time of running. Am I right or wrong? Whenever it is running only, compiler will be understanding. Okay, the file is present. But up to that, like running, it does not know whether the file is present in that location or not. So it is giving us an exception. Like it is throwing us an exception. That is, it is saying, okay, you are giving the file path, but I'm not sure whether the file is present in that location or not. It is better to handle that exception. Yes, these are known as checked exceptions. These are known as checked exceptions. I told you the exceptions which are detected at the compilation time are known as checked exceptions. Now, guys, tell me one thing. Do you think that is it mandatory to write try catch finally here? Is it mandatory to write try catch finally? Do you think that an exception will be occurring? I mean, no. No, we know that 100% we know that the file is present in this location. Then what is the use of writing, try catch finally here? Just simply lines of code will be exceeded, right? So is there any other way to escape from exception handling? Yes. Yes. That is by using throws keyword. So please observe here, return type, method name, parenthesis, after that throws throws. Simply I'm writing exception like this. Now my error is resolved. Yes, guys, are you observing here? Now my error is resolved. I hope you're understanding me, guys, why I'm writing throws exception. I mean, what is the use of throws keyword? Guys, throws keyword is used to escape from exception handling. Now here you need to understand one more point. One more point. For example, if we are trying to call that method 2, aobj dot method 2, here we'll be getting an error. Why we are getting an error, you know? Basically, in method 2, are we handling the exception, guys? Are we handling the exception? No, we are escaping the exception handling. So, if any method is calling that method, either you need to write try catch here like this, either again you need to write try catch, like whenever you are calling a method, you need to write try catch like this, or simply escape from here also, throws exception. That's it. That's it. Did you understand, guys? Yes. Now, right now, if I execute my program, please don't think like the file will be read. No, the file will not be read. Okay. Okay. Just let me try to copy this. I mean, keep this in comment. Now, please observe, right click, run as Java application. Don't think that the file will be coming here. No. Why? Because I did not write the logic. Did I write the logic? No, I did not write the logic, guys. Guys, please tell me, are you understanding the concept here? I will write the logic whenever we are dealing with IO streams. Kindly please wait for that. Now, what I want to say is, if anyone asks you what is the difference between throw and throws, what is the difference between throw and throws? Can you please tell me? Throw keyword is used to display user-defined exception messages. We can use throw keyword for both checked and unchecked exceptions. We need to use throw keyword only inside a method body. But throws, where we need to use? We need to use throws along with the, what is the word? Along with the method signature. Okay. Good. Okay, guys, please have this program for me. Go ahead. Guys, up to line number 20 complete for everyone. Line number 20. Line number 20. Okay. 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 Just a minute. I'll show you. Just a minute. Guys, this is also one of the important differences actually. Difference between throw and throws, please. One of the important differences. Kamlesh, what happened? Not completed. Oh, sorry. Guys, please check this. Tell me the line numbers. Guys, if it is not completed, I will wait. No issues. Now is it fine? Now is it fine? Yeah, please go ahead. Please go ahead. Please inform if completed. Pranita, throws, we need to throws keyword along with the method signature means first we'll be writing access modifier, method name, parenthesis. After that, throws. We should not write throws keyword inside the method body. Okay, ma? Right. All right, guys. I hope it's complete for everyone. Is it done? Is it done? Okay, it's not done. Okay. Carry on, guys. Carry on. Please, 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 please. Right. Take time. No issues. Right. Please write. No, Ganesh, no issues. Normal scopes, that's it. Right. All right, guys. All right. All right. I hope it's complete for everyone. Right. That's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today. And tomorrow we are going to start with entirely a new concept. So I hope you have enjoyed our today's session with all those syntaxes and everything. So guys, I am saying you kindly please do remember, in exception handling, theory is very, 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 very important. Okay, please, please. And I have already uploaded our programs, like what are the syntaxes which I had showed you in the Google Classroom. Can you please go through them? Please try to go through them, guys. Okay, please go through them. I already uploaded the syntax in the Google Classroom. Gaurav, definitely 100%. I'll try to do that. Okay, Gaurav? Fine. All right. All right. So that's it, guys. That's it for today. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. We'll be trying to continue our sessions again by tomorrow. Right? Have a great day, guys. Thank you.